In this video, Bitcoin entered this channel again on the 1 hour and 4 hours chart after breaking this huge resistance at $27,200. And guys, this means that we may continue to go up here and eventually test the 30k level in the next days. However, there are some bearish signs on the charts that I will share with you in this video and that convinced me to hold my short position for the moment. And so guys, if you want to know more about this, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro, I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, a few days ago I shared a video where I was telling you that we broke this support on the 1 hour chart at $27,200. We then broke on the 4 hours as well, and then we entered a short position. And guys, it was playing out very nice, and we were making already almost 40% profit, but then we saw an unexpected bump, and then it seemed like we were confirming this breakout because we got rejected 2 times by this resistance at $27,200, but some hours ago we actually broke this resistance and we started trading again within this channel. And guys, this is a sign, as I said, that we may continue to go up here, but there are some bearish signs that I promised you to share in this video, and these are these lower highs that you can see very clearly here on the 4 hours chart. And as you can see here, we've been forming these lower highs on the 4 hour since April 14th. And so of course this is bearish. And what I want to show you also is that on the daily chart, we are actually still waiting for a confirmation of this breakout, because this daily candle here did not close yet. And so we may still get a daily candle close below $27,200. And anyways, we did not get any close above $27,200 yet. And so guys, we need to wait for a confirmation here, and if we close above $27,200 on the daily, then I'm going to exit my short position. Until then, I'm holding, and if we actually close below $27,200 here on the daily, then for sure I'm going to keep short in Bitcoin, potentially till $25,000. And of course, with 10x leverage, this would be 80% profit. We need to wait for the confirmation before doing any of this. So guys, if we close above, probably we're going to see a bump till 30k. And this also means that what I shared in my previous videos, because I warned you about this double bottom pattern, which it seemed like was not playing out, but then even if we broke this key support, we then saw a green candle here on the daily, this sharp rejection, and right now we are forming this bullish green candle. And as I said, if we close above this key support, then this double bottom pattern will work as predicted and we'll see a pump here. So I'm going to exit my short and enter a long position and trade potentially till 30k. And so guys, I think for today I showed you everything. And if you want to receive these trading alerts for free and in real time before I upload a video on YouTube, then you should follow me on Twitter, on Telegram, and also guys, if you haven't yet liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you didn't watch my previous price analysis, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next episode.